What up, y'all? I've been making some TikTok videos lately about my journey into crypto, and I'm attracting a lot of people who are newer to crypto investing, which is awesome because I'm super new too. I actually just started a month ago. Here's my current bag if you want to see what I'm investing in. But I remember whenever I first started feeling really confused at all of the information that's out there. It really feels like when you first start learning about crypto that everybody else has been in it for like 10 years and they know all the jargon and all the terms really well, and they speak at a level that you just can't understand at all. So what I want to do is, for those of y'all that are new, I want to give you the best resources that I've been using as a new crypto investor. And for those of y'all who are more experienced, if you could let me know if there are other really good resources for new investors other than the ones I'm going to talk about, we would really appreciate it. So just comment down below. Ote. Okay, so the first way to get started with crypto and learn more about investing is to get on Twitter. Honestly, just spending some time looking at Twitter conversations between people who are in the crypto space has helped me figure out what certain words mean without me having to go to dictionaries or YouTube videos or long blogs to figure it out. It's also really going to help you learn how these things work in conversation, learn the limits and the boundaries of all of these different terms, and it's just really helpful. In order to find people, it's really easy. Just look up certain hashtags. So like hashtag crypto or hashtag cryptocurrency, hashtag crypto investor, or even if you want to check out the hashtags for specific coins, you can learn more about their communities by doing that too. All right, the second way to get started with crypto investing is to watch YouTube channels. Of course, you're watching my videos, which I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would really love that, and it would help us out a lot. But you should also be watching some other YouTube channels. My two favorites are BitBoy Crypto and Meet Kevin. So BitBoy Crypto is the largest crypto YouTube channel, it's awesome. They create so much content over there. They live stream all the time, and they're always talking about what is happening within the crypto space. Unfortunately, BitBoy is one of those people where he just understands all the terms, so it can be a little jargony and tough to understand, but the more you're around the jargon, the more you're gonna familiarize yourself with all the words and the language that people are using. Meet Kevin's kind of the same way. He's very experienced, not just with stocks and investing, but also in real estate and just economics in general. His channel in general is just really good for learning how to get started with investing, especially in the real estate sector, but also with learning how to become a person who is deserving of wealth. I don't know, watching Kevin's videos make you feel like you can do things. Whatever. But there are a lot of YouTube channels out there. There are a lot of different creators. There's also a really healthy crypto TikTok community. There's someone over there by the name of 𝐼𝐺𝐻𝐻 who is incredible. She does a lot of really great work. There's a lot of other people in that space as well. If y'all have favorites, I would love if you can drop them down below just for everyone who's looking for more people to follow. The third best way to get started investing with crypto is to join our free community. Yes, y'all, it is true. I created a totally free Discord server for those of y'all who want to either learn more about crypto, or also if you're a content creator within this space and you want to meet with other content creators, potentially collaborate, get your work featured. It's awesome. So this is a server for basically anyone who enjoys crypto or even real estate, stock markets, investing in general. We accept all different experience levels. We accept all different content creation levels. There are no requirements. We just want people who are passionate and interested about this thing to talk to, mainly because I want to freaking learn from y'all. A bunch of y'all that watch my content, you're smart, you know way more about this space than I do, and so this Discord server is helping me learn more too. I'll leave links for the community either down below or somewhere around this video so that y'all can apply to join. We do have an application process because we don't just want to be yet another Discord server where all of the, crypto trolls or scams can get in. We want to keep it high quality so that people aren't getting scammed out of their money, I guess. It does happen. You can check out this video for more. We've also got a lot of really cool projects planned with that community. We're not just gonna be a community, y'all, okay? There's some big stuff coming that I can't talk about. So just trust me, join us. Go and check out this video for more info about how to invest. I'll see y'all over there. Bye.